There is something a lot more crazier that happened with me in this past week that I really want to share with you guys, and I really need your help with this. So just please make it happen. I don't know how you'll do it, but I know you will do it. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have an off today and that's why I'm vlogging. I'm so excited because I have so much to share with you guys. There's so much that has happened in my life in the past, like I would say 2 weeks, that I really need to vent out and really need to talk to you guys about. Let's start chronologically. Also, we're sitting on the floor and my room is a mess, don't judge me for that, but we're sitting on the floor because I have to do my makeup. I already have foundation in, so I did not magically get good skin overnight. This is my newfound love. It is the True Match Foundation by L'Oreal. इसके पीछे एक बहुत funny story है, let me tell you this. I bought this on MRP, which was like I think about 800 rupees. Yeah, 799 rupees, and I got this on MRP. Okay, I get it, my package gets delivered, I start using it. Literally the day my package got delivered and I used it for the first time, a few hours later I was on Nykaa and L'Oreal had a 50% off sale. Yeah, listen, it is unbelievable how much I digress from my point. Starting from the first crazy thing, which is honestly not that crazy. If you've been around for a while, you know this is not crazy, but I had a weird ass mental breakdown about 2 weeks ago. This time it was just so intense and so just, I was so, because usually during mental breakdowns I'm like, oh yeah, I did not do this task, that's why I'm stressing out, the deadline's close, that's why I'm having this, meltdown right now. Or like, oh yeah, that thing happened, so I'm able to connect the dots. But this time I was just like, what is happening with me? And that was very clearly portrayed in my story as well. But the responses that I got from you guys, so like, I don't want to use the word woke because these days it's sort of seen with like a very weird and negative kind of a connotation attached to it. But you guys are so like, I guess I could say aware about mental health and aware about, how to support people, how to support your peers. I was really impressed to see how you all like are equipped with the best kind of knowledge to support your peers, which makes me very happy because you must be doing that for like so many other people. And now I just feel like this is like a very positive kind of a pyramid scheme in which like I'm there for you guys, you are there for me, you are there for other people, and it's just, it's great. There is something a lot more crazier that happened with me in this past week that I really want to share with you guys, and I really need your help with this. So just please make it happen. I don't know how you'll do it, but I know you will do it. I think in the last week of September or the first week of October, I got a few DMs, I would say 4 or 5 DMs from like 4 or 5 different subscribers. One of my friends also DM'd this to me, which was basically a forward of a post on Fujifilm India's page. Okay, and what the post said was that there's gonna be a competition of sort of a contest for top 3 vloggers. I didn't really pay a lot of attention to it at that time because see, every time an opportunity comes to me, my first thought is not like, oh yeah, let's do this. My first thought is always like, dude, there are people who are so much more better than this, like I'm never gonna get this. That was my attitude towards it. But then, in the past couple of years I've also realized that I tend to give up on opportunities because I'm like, इसमें तो मेरा होगा नहीं obviously, ठीक है, ऐसे करके मैं pass up कर देती हूँ. So I've realized that any and every opportunity that comes to me and comes to you guys also, don't pass up on opportunities because you feel like you're not good enough. And I think this, like, I'm not telling it to you guys, I'm telling it to myself more. But basically when this happened, even though I had the thought that yaar mera to hoga nahi, I was still like, theek hai, koi nahi, apply karke dekhte hain, hoga to theek hai, nahi hoga to theek hai, koi nahi, theek hai. So I ended up applying and I submitted the Shimla vlog, which if you follow me on Instagram, you know that like that is my favorite video on my channel. I loved filming it, I loved editing it, I loved your guys' response on it. That is just my favorite vlog. So if there was any vlog that I were to submit for this contest, it had to be that. So I went ahead and did that. Last week, okay, I was just sleeping and I was chilling and I was woken up by a DM by a friend of mine. And it was a forward from Fujifilm's Instagram. And there it was, top 10 vloggers and my name. I freaked out Okay, Fujifilm and India Film Project reached out to all of us, like all 10 of us who were shortlisted, and told us that listen, you've been shortlisted in the top 10, like by the company and by this, organization and whatever panel was set for this. But in order to reach top 3, there's going to be public voting. How that public voting is going to happen? Basically, small little snippets from all the vlogs that the 10 people have submitted will be made into a montage and put up on Fujifilm India's YouTube page. And then your fans and your followers and your friends and your family, they have to go and they have to like comment your name and then whatever video entry number yours is. So mine is like Shalu Mishra, video entry 9 or hashtag 9, video number 9. My number is 9 and the voting has been on for the past 2 days. Currently, I am second in the running. Like I've been keeping a tab on all the votes, but I feel like I don't know, man. Like everyone who has sent in their entries, dude, for that contest, I was just having this discussion with my mom and my mom was like, अगर मैं तेरी मम्मी नहीं होती तो मैं तुझे वोट नहीं देती. Like I would have definitely voted for someone else, and I feel the same way. Like every single person who has sent in their entries for this contest has such beautifully made content that if I were not me, myself, and I would have not voted for myself. But because I also don't want to undermine the efforts I make, because I know that I have to stay up the whole night for like regular videos and like for travel vlogs and stuff. Sometimes editing takes 4 days, 5 days, 1 week. I don't know. It takes a long time. And I know कि मैं मेहनत करती हूँ. There's still a lot of scope of improvement for me. I know like I can obviously learn how to use the camera better. I can use better software and stuff. I know there's room for improvement, but I don't want to kind of undermine the mehnat that I already do. So I really want to win this. So if you think I deserve this, there will be a link in the description. Click on that video, okay? It'll take you to Fujifilm India's page and that particular video where the voting is happening. And you just have to type, hi, I'm here to vote for Shalu Mishra, video number 9 or hashtag 9. And I will win. I really want to win this. You cannot spam votes. So even if you comment 10 times from the same account, it will all be counted as 1 vote or even 0 votes, because spamming is not allowed. I may get disqualified, so don't spam. But if you can find like other people who can be willing to vote for me, like your friends or like your mom or like your dad or like your kirane wale bhaiya, tell them to vote for me. Shalu Mishra, video number 9. Let's go. Alright, I just got done putting on my makeup, and do you guys remember the time when I told you I don't know how to put eyeshadow? Like, we have clearly come a long way from that, and we are gonna go and do a photo shoot right now, which I don't even think I told you guys why we're doing a photo shoot in like all the excitement. But the grand reason why we're doing a photo shoot today is because I am wearing a great outfit after really long, and honestly a great outfit can just uplift your mood and make you feel confident and just make you feel happy, which is exactly how I'm feeling right now. Do you think I came up with this beautiful outfit all by myself? Do you really think that my small little pea brain has the capacity to think what would go best with what and finally come up with an outfit that actually makes me confident enough to leave the house and not cry and sit in my house for like 70,000 years? You're wrong. I came up with this brilliant outfit with the help of an app that I recently found on Google Play Store, and I have been obsessed since then. It's called the Kit Outs. Essentially, this app contains curated fashion for men. I know I just said men, but I personally believe that clothing is not something that you can put gender or labels onto. It just does not align with my life goals, which is like live and let live. Let people do what they want. And because I'm really into that unisex kind of a fashion, I take inspiration from both like men's wardrobes, like typically considered men's wardrobes, and typically considered women's wardrobes, and like sort of make my own thing. So once you download this app, you will be shown a couple of themes, like say streetwear, say formal wear, say ethnic, because all of these beautiful festivities are coming up, and all of these themes basically sort of help you decide what kind of an outfit you're looking for, what kind of a theme you're looking for. What caught my attention was streetwear, because I've recently really gotten into the whole vibe that it has. It's just so casual yet so stylish, and honestly it took me a long time to realize that just putting on one pair of baggy t-shirt with like slacks or jeans does does not constitute streetwear. There's so much more to it. So honestly, this app has really helped me achieve this beautiful look that I'm really happy with. This is the one. I will show it to you guys probably when we go for the photo shoot thing on the chat. That's the low budget photo shoot we're doing today. But please go and download and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you guys have an favorite outfit from within the app. Send me pictures wearing that outfit, because why not? Because I will share my pictures with you, so you share your pictures with me. And if that being said, sun is gonna go down, so we are gonna go and do my photo shoot. Okay. I just climbed so many stairs to get to the chat, but chat pe main aa to gayi hu. I don't know what the best place to click these pictures would be. And I also got some props. I got this chashma, I got this topa, beanie, as fashionable people say. And now I have to figure out kaha photo khinchu. Waise like I look pretty fab today. Like, I have set up my camera over here. Some of my building people just came and they were like, "What are you doing?" And I explained to them. They're like, "Okay, do it." So that's good. And also, I'm being awkward even though there's no one here. Usually when people click my pictures, I'm like, how do I act? But abhi to main akeli hu, fir bhi main kyun awkward ho rahi, I don't know. But the only person with whom I've done a photo shoot and not felt awkward is Sakshi. She is my junior. If you've been around for a while, you must have seen that video in which she did my photo shoot back when I was in college. And dude, I really miss you, Sakshi. I hope you're doing well.
You get the idea.
Okay, I think I am kind of done with the photo shoot. I clicked a lot of good pictures, which you will see on my Instagram @ShaluMishra. But I said I will show you my outfit. So this is basically my outfit sweatshirt, which says "Almost Famous," which I think is just so accurate for me. And also I have paired this with the beautiful shoes that I showed you, and also black jeans that you can't see but you will see in a bit. But yeah, I think I'm done with my photo shoot. I think I look really good. Like जब मैं makeup लगाती हूँ ना, क्या confidence चाहता है. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take like a few more shots. I'm seeing there because you know I'm looking so beautiful. नजर ना लगे. But yeah, I'm gonna take a few more shots and then I'm gonna go down. But that's me. I got done with my photo shoot. I came back home. I had some amazing samosa and kachori at home, which we ordered from Haldiram's, which was amazing. You guys should order from there. And now I am here in the market. Is there a dog behind me? No. Okay, I can take off my first mask. I have two masks on because this is the way. I like this way. I don't care if people think I'm weird. And also I have changed my shoes because I have come out for the first time alone in like 8 months, and just in case someone tries to kidnap me, I should be able to run. Also, fun fact, I am still wearing lenses, but the minute I was leaving home, I kind of realized that, you know, corona can be transmitted via your eyes. So even if I'm wearing like 200 masks, if someone with corona sneezes in front of me, I can easily get it through my eyes. So then I was like, I wish I had a clear zero power चश्मा, which I did. पता नहीं कहाँ कूड़े में से निकाल के मैंने ये पहना है. I hate this aviator design, but it's fine. We're out and about. Also, look how beautifully Hauskas Market is, what is the word? Decorated for the festive season. I love it. First stop for today is my optician because I need to buy lenses. What kind of lenses are these? Why am I buying them? I'm going to let you know just in a sec. Basically, I used to use the monthly ones, the one pair that you wear for like 30 days. But because of the lockdown, I've been at home for so long that those ones usually end up getting wasted, because those are the ones that you can't really use after the 30-day period. No matter how well you've stored them, you can't. And my middle class heart really burns every time I waste those lenses. So I asked my optician that I've been coming to for like many years, and they suggested that I get one-day ones. So those are the ones that I have come to collect today. Channel खोलने के बाद top 10 vlogger entries होगा, तो उसमें मेरा भी entry है, मेरा nomination है. हाँ, तो आप उसमें शालू मिश्रा वीडियो नंबर 9 टाइप करिएगा, ठीक है? और आप अंकल को मेरा चैनल भी दिखा दीजिए. Thank you. If you have also not voted for me yet, go ahead and vote for me. I am gonna go and get my face cream. I have to go to Fab India, so I have to Google map that because I don't know my area too well. Okay, so bad luck because they did not have it. Actually, I called them yesterday to ask if they have that cream, and they said they don't. But then I thought I'm a stupid person, so I wasn't able to explain it to them well. That's why they didn't know which cream I wanted. So आज मैं खाली डब्बा भी लेके आई थी, but they didn't have it. But they said कि they'll get it ordered from the Green Park outlet, and I can come collect it tomorrow. So that's the plan, and good skin begins tomorrow. Also, I've been eating a lot of salad, जो कि maybe I should show you guys once we go back home today. Oh my god, ending vlogs like in my bed at the end of the day makes me so nostalgic of my early days of vlogging. Like, I really genuinely believe that vlogging means there should be a camera in my face from the minute I wake up. So usually my vlogs used to start in bed. Like, I'd be like, I just woke up. That was insane, but that's how I'm ending today's vlog. I came back home a while ago, and I told you I was gonna have salad, but that did not happen. I ended up having some kachori and samosa, which was leftover from aaj ka evening snack, and then we just watched some Big Boss. But before we end this video, I have 3 really nice recommendations for you this week. The first one is this show on Netflix. It's an anime. The show's name is One Punch Man. It's honestly the first anime that I'm watching without anyone recommending me to watch it, and it's honestly pretty hilarious. If you guys have other recommendations, you know what to do. But yeah, that one I really liked. Also, there's this podcast by Emma Chamberlain. Now, I listen to her podcast once in a while, and by and largely I find her podcasts to be like nothing out of the box, like nothing that impresses me a lot, but yeah, it's like a comforting thing to hear her. Recently she did this one episode, I think, which is titled Money is an Illusion. It was a lot of fun. It was really nice to listen to it. So that's one podcast episode recommendation I have. And lastly, there's this book which I just got from my shelf. I don't know where it went. Okay, here it is. The Death of Vivek OG. I know I put up an Instagram story about this, and that y'all should read it, because this book, like, after so long, a book has managed to make me cry and stir up so many emotions in me. I really like this. I really want to do a book review of it on my channel, which most probably I will. So stay tuned for that. But before that, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this, links to it will be in the description. It was a good book. I really liked it. Like, it made me cry. It was nice. Go read it. And that being said, I really want to go to sleep because I had a pretty tiring day. Even though I didn't do much, but I did do a lot more than my regular activity. So I'm pretty tired, but I can't sleep because I have to edit this vlog that you're watching right now. I guess I'm gonna go do that. Please make sure you vote for me. If you can, ask your friends to vote for me. I really want to win this, and I don't think I'll be able to do it without you. So, you know what to do. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.